Okay, we have a Delta 747. I believe this is the one from Amsterdam. We've caught this one yesterday. Chris 1, Air Force 2. Sorry, Air Force 1 due in 1 minute after this Delta 747. Wow, okay, so this must be on a fuel. I wonder if that's got Biden on board. Only joking. No, it might be in for fuel stop. So 200. Wow. Here we go. Oh my god. Do you see that? Oh, JetBlue 3's already blocked. Whoa. She's banking. There you go, look, Delta 747. I heard she's going to be gone by next week, I think. So she will no longer be in service, bless the little fella. Little fella? 747, little? Am I little? Yeah.